about my financial future and retirement plans has definitely been on my mind recently. I know what you are all thinking. She looks way too young to be thinking about retirement. Nevertheless, you are never too old, or too young for that matter, to start talking about and planning for your retirement years. My name is Lisa, and I'm the Education Coordinator at FCNB. My job includes providing New Brunswickers with tools and resources to make informed spending and investing decisions. Trying to do all the planning and make all the investing choices on your own can be overwhelming. So today, I want to talk to you about what to consider when working with financial professionals. Like many New Brunswickers, you may not have the time, interest, or knowledge to build an investment portfolio or financial plan yourself. In this case, getting advice from a professional may be a good idea. There are many different types of financial professionals. Depending on your needs, they may help you set goals, build a long-term financial plan, including estate planning, choose suitable investments, track your progress, and make adjustments to your plan when needed. Financial professionals offer a broad range of products and services. Before deciding who to work with, be sure they are qualified to provide you with the services and products you need. Do not rely on the title on a business card. There are many different titles and designations used by financial professionals, but they do not mean a person is registered or licensed to sell or give advice on specific investments or insurance products. Generally, anyone selling securities, offering investment advice, or acting as an investment fund manager in New Brunswick must be registered with FCNB. The category of registration tells you the types of products and services they can provide. You can visit fcnb.ca to check that the investment professional you are considering is registered to provide you with the products and services you need. Our website also has more information to help you understand what categories of registration and some common financial titles and designations mean. Now, let's focus on the professionals that can help you in your investment journey. We already talked a bit about registration, but it does more than just tell you what investment products and services can be offered. Registration is also an important part of protecting you as an investor because FCNB will only register firms and individuals if they are properly qualified and meet the requirements for their category of registration. Registration also lists any restrictions, known as terms and conditions, imposed on a firm or individual by FCNB or other regulators. Individuals who want to be registered have to have a background and police check done as part of the registration process. Remember, registration is an important layer of protection for investors. But being registered is not a guarantee that the person will always give you good advice or act ethically. There are other considerations and questions that can help you decide if an individual is the right investment professional for you. You can download our 5 steps to choosing a financial advisor workbook from our website at fcnb.ca. It has important questions to ask, sources of information, and a place to record the information you gather when researching who you will work with. So, you have decided that you would like to work with a financial professional. What should you expect? Well, there are some things that financial professionals can and can't do. You can expect your investment professional to make clear and specific recommendations, explain the reasons for the recommendations and how the products will help you reach your goals, outline the risks involved with any products they recommend, and get your permission before they buy or sell investments for you or withdraw money from your account. An investment professional can't predict the performance of the markets with 100% certainty or make any guarantees. Recommend investments that will always make money. Act on unclear or general instructions from you to buy or sell investments. or meet unrealistic goals or expectations to make money from your investments. As a client, you also have a role to play. It is your responsibility to update your investment professional if your personal or financial situations change. Major life events like marriage, divorce, the birth of a child, an employment change, or receiving unexpected income can have a significant impact on your finances and the recommendations you receive. Be honest about your risk tolerance and your comfort level. And don't be embarrassed or shy about asking questions until you completely understand any investments being recommended and how they will fit into your overall plan. Review your account statements and jot down anything you want to discuss. Read any documents you receive about investments you're considering. And remember, never sign anything you have not read or do not fully understand. One important discussion to have with your investment professional is around fees. Fees and other charges are a standard part of investing. Investment firms or investment professionals charge fees to cover different costs associated with managing and operating your account and providing advice. And we will be covering fees in more detail in a future Spend Smart video. But for now, remember that fees impact the overall returns or losses in your investment portfolio. So understanding what you pay is very important. It's also important to consider how your investment professional is paid so you can evaluate the true costs and suitability of the products and services you receive. And finally, as an investor, you have access to a variety of products. Before buying any investment, ask about the fees, how they will impact your portfolio going forward, and if there are any lower fee options that are right for you. Just as you always make sure you're getting the best deal on other products and services you buy, make it a habit to ask your investment professional about the fees you pay for the products and services they provide. Although most investment professionals and the firms they work for are fair and follow the rules, if you face an issue or have a concern, it is important to know where to turn. Visit us at FCNB.ca to learn more about your rights as an investor and what to do if you want to submit a complaint. Hopefully, I've given you some things to think about when choosing a financial professional to help you with your investment planning decisions. Visit us at FCNB.ca for more tools and resources to help you make smart spending and investing choices.